Said I need a real one. Tired of the cake and the silicone. Said I need a real one. Forget perfection, I love bumpy roads. Said I need a real one.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Elena Vibes. Today I'll be doing press-on nails by Kiss, and I'll actually be doing this for my gender reveal, which is going to be tomorrow. So by the time you see this video, the gender reveal will already be out, and I'll also have a video on my gender reveal wig, which is going to be real cute. Before we even start, y'all, say hi to my baby. I'm huge, y'all. I am huge. So I'm gonna show you real quick what I'll be using today. This is the Kiss High Fashion Glamour Nails, and I actually got this from Dollar General. It's like a dollar store where things are like $4 or $5. So I don't know why they call it a dollar store, but whatever, you get the gist of it. It was only $5. The length is long, and this is by Kiss. These are the Jewel High Fashion Glamour Nails. The ones shown right here, these are just the accent nails. So the rest of the nails inside, I'll show you guys, they're just gonna be blue, which I had no idea. I thought all of the nails were like that blue to pink ombre effect, but they're actually not. Only these accent nails have that, you know, ombre effect to them and have the jewels. They do not come with any nail glue, so you want to make sure you have a nail glue to use to apply these nails. So by the grace of God, y'all, I looked in my nail drawer and I had a glue. I don't even remember when I bought them or bought this, but this is the Kiss Super Bond glue, and this is the one that these nails usually come with. So I'm guessing the ones that are like $8, $9, $10, the other nail packs from Kiss products, they come with glue. But this one, it's a bit cheaper, so I get it. It doesn't come with glue. This I found at my Dollar Tree, my local Dollar Tree, for only $1. So just get you a nail glue that you're used to, that you know works really well. I know that the Kiss pink nail glue works really, really good, y'all. So today I'll also be using my Kiss Power File and Nail Dryer all-in-one nail care kit. I've used this in several videos where I did my own acrylic nails. So if you guys haven't seen any of those videos, check down in my description below. I have everything linked. I actually did a separate video where I did a whole review on this product itself. Before we get started, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And again, check down in my description below if you want to see links for other nail videos, DIY acrylic, some more press-on nail videos, and my unboxing reviews on this product, as well as the Kiss all-in-one at-home salon acrylic kit. So let's jump right into this video, y'all. My lashes are from my cosmetic company called Flora Glow Cosmetics, so go ahead, get you some lashes, premium 25mm mink lashes, okay? It's called Leilani, so I love it so much, y'all. So go ahead, get you some mink lashes below. The website is down below in the description. Okay, so now you can see that I have all of the nails picked out. So basically I went ahead and I fit all the nails to match my actual nail bed, and I have them all organized right here. This is definitely what I suggest doing if you want to stay organized and make sure that, you know, once you're ready to start applying with the glue, it's a quick and easy process. So one thing I want to show you guys before we get started, all of the nails, they have a little number on the back of the press-on nails, and I've tried many different brand press-on nails and they don't all have this. So as you can see, that one says 3, there's 1, 0. So basically there's double or triple of each nail. That's why you have 24 nails in the pack. So just in case one breaks, you know, you lose it, you have multiple. So once you're ready to start fitting the nails, it's super easy. Just find the nail that matches, let's say, your pinky nail. So for me, that is the number 6 right there. So all I had to do is just find the other number 6, which was that one. And then let's say for my thumb now, my thumb, it measured a size 2. The size 2 nail fit perfectly. So once I found that, for the other hand, all I had to do was find the other size 2 nail, and that was it. So they make it really, really easy. All of the nails have a number on the back. You just match it up. And then I suggest separating the nails ahead of time like this, right and left hand, so it's organized and the application process is super quick and easy. So this is the Super Bond Pink Nail Glue by Kiss. It's out of the package. I have that ready to go. So I'm just gonna put all these extra nails that I'm not using, I'm gonna put them back in the package. So we're keeping everything as neat as possible. So it is a quick, easy, seamless application process. And also I have some Q-tips here on the side, just in case I need to clean up around the edges. Let's say a little bit of glue gets outside of the nail on my hands, I can just go ahead and wipe it up with the Q-tips. And I also have some nail polish remover. I just have this on the side ready to go just in case I need some help with cleaning off some extra glue if it gets a little messy. I just have this ready to go.